Hello guys, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how to get platinum crystal in once human. So first we will open up the map and navigate to the Red Sands area right here, and we will specifically go to Blackfell. Now this location requires level 43 to enter. So make sure you are adequately leveled up. Once you are in Blackfell, you can start looting all the storage boxes scattered around the area. So not just Blackfell area, but area around the Blackfell. They also contain loot storage boxes that you can try your luck with. Next, activate as many rift anchors as you can. These anchors are spread throughout the area, and activating them will grant you a significant amount of platinum crystal. Be aware that some of the enemies in this area are strong. If you want to avoid combat, focus on activating the rift anchors quickly and running away. Like, just activate it and run away. Don't stay there. They are gonna come for you. So activating rift anchors is the fastest way if you want to minimize combat, but storage loot boxes are also a great option. So that's it for today's guide on how to get platinum crystal in once human. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to App Mentor, and ring that bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy hunting.